Welcome to Nolly. Let's jump into the Fractional CFO studio, where budgets, cash, and board prep live. This is your new finance team. Think of them as sidekicks for the jobs CFOs juggle every day. Budget and Scenario Builder helps you stress test plans and compare what-ifs. Investor Readiness pulls together the KPIs and metrics investors ask for. Cash Flow Strategist keeps your runway visible with rolling forecasts. And Finance Analyst cleans up messy spreadsheets and translates them into board-ready insights. Let's see Finance Analyst in action. Nolly copilots get their power from various different capabilities, including agents, integrations, and workflows. Agents are like specialized utilities that run one clear job at a time. Integrations connect those agents to the outside world, your files, your systems, your apps. In the Fractional CFO studio, you will find agents designed for finance workflows. Data Normalizer takes messy CSVs, Excels, or PDFs and cleans them into structured tables. Variance Analyzer compares periods and flags what's moving: revenue, expenses, margins. Ratio Calculator delivers liquidity, profitability, and efficiency ratios instantly. KPI Mapper translates raw statements into board-level KPIs like CAC, LTV, or burn multiples. Then we have integrations. Google Drive allows you to upload or fetch files like P&Ls and balance sheets. Draft Gmail allows you to draft emails and save them straight into your account. Alternatively, you can send emails directly. In the background, I've also created a workflow that allows you to take your report content and turn it into a live deck with a shareable link. With integrations, you don't just get text in chat, you get outputs that flow right back into your workflow. Let's try this out. Let's click on an income statement. You'll see that it's loaded into our preview pane. You can also see that it's attached now to the chat bar. If you have worries about how the data is structured, you can always use the Data Normalizer to fix that structure. Type in @ and use Data Normalizer. In this case, we're going to allow the finance analyst to choose what tools it wants. Let's enter our prompt. Create a financial report from the attached statement. Let's see what it's created here. It's created a normalized income statement along with variances, highlights the variances we should take into account, key ratios along with industry benchmarks, an executive summary, and recommendations. Let's go ahead and turn this into a slide deck. Perfect. Let's see what it's created. An introduction slide, key metrics, highlights, placeholder for a visual aid, recommendations, and a conclusion. The presentation looks great. Let's send it to Google Slides now. Let's check out this link and see what it's done. So you can see that it's created the presentation here in Google Slides using a plain vanilla theme. It's added a table, the executive summary, placeholders, recommendations, and the conclusion. Now let's go back to Nolly. Now let's create an email that we can send to Paul. The email looks good. Now let's send it to Gmail. This time, we're going to use an @ handle. All right, let's take a look at this email now. Amazing. All I need to do now is add an email and send it. That's how fast you can do business in Nolly.